How old are you, Mr. Allen? PR bond after PR bond, and you still can't show up. Your case is 515 days old. I want to express my disappointment and I'm going to tell you now, we are done with catch and release.
She was invited by the defendant to his apartment, which told her to bring their son since it was his birthday. The complainant stated she and her son spent the night at the defendant's apartment, but the defendant started an argument with the complainant after she told him that they were about to leave. The complainant stated that she had the baby in her hands when the defendant forcefully grabbed the baby out of her hands and then with his left hand slapped the complainant on her right side of her jaw, causing pain.
You guys have the rip done? Do we know? Does she want to have contact with him?
To get in contact with the complainant. The number is out of service and there's nothing in TLO, so I have assigned it to our investigator team.
Mr. Allen, you said you're how old?
22.
What are you doing in life now?
Working.
Did you graduate from high school? That's where we're going to start first thing. Right now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm sending you for a drug test because I want to make sure that there's nothing that's being used. Your case is already 515 days old and we've given you two PR bonds. Do you think you will get a third?
Sir, wasn't that,
you're skirting a very thin line now, Mr. Allen. If you miss court again, it's really, really not going to go well. Do you understand? I'm sending you for a test now. You're to test and come right back and then we'll talk about your lawyer situation. But the first thing we're going to do is start working on getting your GED. So we'll have you come back in 2 weeks to show you or to show me what you have done to start working on your GED. Do you understand? Take a seat for me.